Hello and welcome to this short video where we're going to quickly take you through our cloud application security solution and show you how you can significantly improve your current cloud application security posture. Utilizing a powerful database of applications and application actions, CensorNet can provide truly centralized, comprehensive monitoring and control across a huge variety of web-based cloud apps. Through the monitoring and control of such apps and application actions, CensorNet can identify cloud usage, provide shadow IT discovery, and illustrate risk analysis based on actions as well as users and devices. We can enable enforcement of untrusted activity, such as preventing users from uploading corporate sensitive files to personal Dropbox accounts, or preventing the sharing of files and folders to a wider unwanted audience. Or how about preventing malicious activity such as data exfiltration from a Salesforce account through downloading of data? It's all a simple click away. With CensorNet's Application Action Database, the most comprehensive on the market, organizations can embrace the flexibility and agile nature of cloud apps, while still maintaining security and data privacy. This is something that the traditional web security approach of simply allowing or blocking URLs just can't provide. Cloud app security rules are seamlessly integrated into the USS platform, affording a completely consistent approach to policy management in line with other USS modules. Conditions allow for extreme flexibility when deciding who, what, or when we apply cloud application rules. Various approaches to cloud application filtering are available, from risk-based control, where CensorNet's own application risk profiling can be combined with the customers, through to controlling specific actions associated with specific applications or application classes. Contextual-based application control is the icing on the cake, critically giving organizations the choice of whether to control actions based upon the metadata collected and identified. Such an example is blocking the action of searching within Google if the content is inappropriate versus allowing the search if the content is perfectly legitimate. Reporting for cloud application security is in line with the other USS security modules. We have two types of reports. We have our chart-based reports and our activity reports. So our chart-based reports are a collection of pre-built templates that give us very high-level information about what's going on across the network. We've got a couple of examples here. Top cloud application risks over a period of a month, or the top types of application used over a month. So very quickly and easily, administrators can get an idea of what's going on across the network. These can be scheduled, they can be exported in different formats, but the main benefit of these kind of reports is that they're interactive in nature. So if we wanted to look into this streaming service apps being used in a bit more detail, perhaps we wanted to understand who was using them and when, we can click on that and it will take us to the in-depth activity report for those streaming type applications. So in this case we can see most of the application requests in question are to YouTube, but we can see lots of detail about who made the request, what kind of action was performed, and from a policy perspective whether it was allowed or not. We can further refine that data by using any of the filters here. Perhaps we wanted to drill down and look at a specific user, or even filter and look at specific actions within YouTube. You'll notice here that the action value tells us that the user started watching, and if we click on that link we can actually look at the video that the user in question was watching, in this case a music video. So that was just an overview of our cloud application security solution. Of course, there are a whole host of other components that we haven't gone through, just to try and keep the video short. But to book your tailored demonstration or free trial, simply contact us and we'll be more than happy to show you the full suite of features.